check of our forewarned weather.
It's just warm out there this morning. We've got one lonely little shower on the radar. We're going to check that momentarily, but I want to give you a sense of the overall big picture pattern. We're not alone in the above average temperatures. Far from it. The whole eastern half of the country is going to be sweltering in the heat and humidity. Record high temperatures along the I-95 corridor from Washington, D.C. up through Baltimore, up towards Philadelphia, New York, and Boston. We're not going to set a record today, but we are going to be well above average. Below average temperatures out west, and that transition zone in between, that's where they're going to see severe thunderstorms likely today in the upper Midwest. But at least we don't have to worry about that. We just have some garden variety showers this morning right over Pickett County, just edging over into northern Overton County as well, moving through Pickett County into northern Fentress County over the next 45 minutes, and it'll just fade off the radar as we head through the rest of this morning and really over the next hour or so. Putting everything in motion, that is the only shower that we're tracking right now, and it's actually showing a little bit more of a southeastward drift here. The storms that develop this time of year, the upper level winds are so weak they just don't move very fast. So any storm that does develop is just going to remain mostly parked, kind of drifting in whatever direction it wants to. Nothing on the radar simulation through about noon, and then a chance of storms mainly along the Cumberland Plateau this afternoon. But this type of weather pattern, when it's hot, when it's humid, it's always possible it's going to get hot enough in a few spots to kind of pop the lid on the atmosphere and produce these spotty showers and thunder showers, including around Nashville for drive time this evening. We hope not, but it's an outside chance. We'll keep an eye on that for you. Looking outside this morning, lots of sunshine over downtown Nashville. Just a few clouds on the horizon. That sun is going to be warming us up quickly. Not much of a breeze right now. What wind there is today will be out of the southwest. We're not seeing any fog from any of the weather bug camera perspectives. Temperatures are warm though, upper 60s and mostly low 70s on the map right now, including 72 degrees in Nashville, 71 in Clarksville and Murfreesboro, and exactly 70 at the moment in Tullahoma. We'll warm up quickly. Upper 80s already by noon. Isolated storms possible at lunchtime. More likely we'll see those spotty storms developing this afternoon, but at best it's about a 1 in 3 chance of any free lawn watering. High temperatures above 90 degrees. The heat index will be about 5 or 6 degrees warmer than that. So we're talking about that feels like temperature climbing up to the mid and upper 90s, and more of the same tomorrow. Another chance of storms mainly in eastern middle Tennessee tomorrow. Better chance of more organized storms moving in late tomorrow night and early Thursday. This is the first batch of storms that will impact us on Thursday. That'll move through, and then we'll see more scattered thunderstorms developing Thursday afternoon. And any of the storms that do develop on Thursday could become a little bit stronger. Marginal risk of severe weather, that's the day we'll keep an eye on. But the marginal risk, that's a level 1 out of 5 from the Storm Prediction Center. Otherwise, we're talking about a low severe weather threat over the next several days. The heat, that's really not going anywhere. The coolest days are still in the upper 80s. If you're looking ahead to the weekend, aren't we all? Father's Day looking unsettled. Not a washout, but have an indoor alternative for any outdoor plans. Saturday looks like the more cooperative day for outdoor stuff at this point. We'll keep you updated.
Yeah, well, Paul said it, record-breaking heat in parts of the north.